volunteer to help me put together the meal.
It'll go away after a few tickets. I'm gonna wash my hands.
That's a good idea. I'm just gonna sharpen my knife.
I'm gonna wash my hands in stereo.
While you do that, I'm just gonna sharpen my knife here. I've got my sharpening stick. I brought
It's a sharp stick.
It seems to have Jello on it. Let me There, it looks good now.
Yeah.
I broke this knife.
No. You're gonna use mine.
Now I'm just going to go get the turkey.
Okay.
And bring it over here.
It's not quite yet.
Well, here, I'm just going to set this down so I can grab two of them. They're squeaky when they're frozen. Okay, now you grab one. Right there.
I think it's the virus. I forgot to clench. He's very confused himself.
It's a lot of practice. After 20 years of being a wasp, I think I finally got it down. Okay, so first, once you've got your knife and your... I'm not sure who that was. Now, you want to carve.
Okay.
Now, remember it's frozen, so it's going to make that squeaky sort of sound. It's really abominable on the ear.
All right. You go first.
It's almost like styrofoam. Now I'm going to do a little bit of chopping.
Hey, it's a holiday.
You're supposed to wait until after the turkey loaves.
I'm gonna cut mine up now. And now we're gonna chop it. We're gonna use two knives.
That's very impressive technique.
Yeah.
But you have to see my automatic food slicer. It's so
Do it again.
stupid as seen on TV crap.
Okay, well, I wish you would have said that because Dr. Principal Pokemon Einstein told me to bring over the brand new slap chop and an electric knife.
Oh, and the electric knife.
I'll grab the slap chop. Have I ever told you that you're going to love my nuts?
Are they salty?
Kosher salt.
That's some slap chop. Try mine a little carving under your teeth.
That's pretty impressive.
I know my way around the kitchen.
Crusty fried bread that I want to mash up.